Zucchini rice arancini are a delicious and creative twist on the classic Sicilian arancino. Here's how to make them. Ingredients: 300 grams of risotto rice, such as Arborio or Carnaroli, 800 milliliters of vegetable broth, 200 grams of zucchini, 100 grams of mozzarella, or scamorza for a stronger flavor, 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 small onion, 2 eggs, breadcrumbs as needed, flour as needed, oil for frying, salt and pepper as needed. Optional, a pinch of saffron to color and flavor the rice. Preparation: begin by preparing the risotto. Finely chop the onion and sauté it in a pot with a drizzle of oil. Add the rice and toast until it becomes translucent. Gradually add the hot vegetable broth, stirring constantly. If you have chosen to use saffron, dissolve it in a bit of hot broth and add it to the risotto for color. While the rice is cooking, clean and dice the zucchini into very small cubes. In a non-stick pan, sauté the zucchini with a drizzle of oil. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Once the risotto is ready, creamy and al dente, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. Then, incorporate the Parmesan and let the risotto cool completely. Once the risotto is cold, take a portion of rice and flatten it in your hand. In the center, place some zucchini and a cube of mozzarella. Then cover with more rice, forming a ball or cone, depending on the shape you prefer to give your arancini. Prepare 3 dishes with flour, beaten eggs, and breadcrumbs. Dip each arancino first in the flour, then in the egg, and finally in the breadcrumbs, making sure it is well coated. In a pan, bring the oil to temperature, about 170 to 180 degrees Celsius, and fry the arancini until golden and crispy. Once ready, drain the arancini on paper towels to remove excess oil. Serve while still hot to enjoy the melting mozzarella heart. Did you know? Arancini, whose name comes from their shape and color that resemble small oranges, originated in Sicily, but have become popular throughout Italy with numerous regional variations for the filling.